Follow the tips in this video to get the most out of the jug blender. Always chop ingredients into small pieces before blending. We recommend adding liquids before solid ingredients. Always add a proportionate volume of liquid to solid ingredients to allow for quicker and more efficient blending. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Always ensure a sufficient volume of liquid is used when blending with ice and frozen fruits. To maintain the blade's sharpness, avoid blending ice cubes. Use crushed ice instead. Never dry blend the ice. If your mixture is not a desired consistency after 30 seconds, stop the blend cycle and add more liquid. Avoid blending continuously for more than 1 minute at a time, and leave the units cool for a few minutes in between uses. Recharge the unit after use so it's ready to use next time. Hand wash the blade and jug after every use using a soft sponge and soapy water. Do not put in the dishwasher.